we're going to play Superlative Family Fortunes. So we've been comparing 2 people, now we're going to compare 3 people. And we've got 2 teams. Team A,
Team A, Team A, Team A.
And Team B.
Team B, Team B, Team B, Team B.
Okay, Andrea and Heather, you're up.
Okay.
Look at the 3 cards. Who has won the most titles?
Andy Murray has won the most titles.
No, right, Andrea.
Roger Federer has the most.
Has
won the most titles.
Yeah, well done, Andrea. Team A, 10 points.
Sorry.
Well done. Okay, Ben and Jan, you're up. Who is the tallest?
Andy Murray is the tallest.
No, try again. Jan, who is the tallest?
Marin Cilic is the tallest.
Yeah,
Yes.
well done. 10 points, Team B.
Yes.
Okay, the final question for the winner, to find who our winner is going to be. Who has the highest current ranking?
Roger Federer has the highest current ranking.
Yay! Well done, Team
Good job.
B. You have 20 points.
Yeah.
So you are the winners. Good
Well
game,
done.
good game, good game.
Well done.
Have fun.